Hey Hair Systems pros! Today, we're breaking down the art of creating a custom hair system template just within 5 steps. Let's start. First, we begin with the Saran Wrap. Draping the Saran Wrap over the bald area of your client's head, pulling it taut like a drumhead. Twist the excess wrap at the temples to eliminate slack. Then, we need to confirm the front hairline, which is normally 4 fingers width above the client's eyebrow, and trace it using the marker pen. Here's a little hint. You can use our front contour ring to confirm your client's front shape. Now, draw the outline of the bald area and mark F for front, B for back, L for left, and R for right. It would be better if you can mark the crown point and hair direction on it as well. Next, tape it. We apply a layer of Scotch tape from side to side. And then we apply another layer of Scotch tape from front to back. Press it to make it in shape and secure. After that, we need to trim the template. Use scissors to cut off the excess parts and cut along the outer edge of the black line. Don't forget to put it on your client's head for comparison to check whether it fits. In the end, remark F, B, L, R. Crown area and hair direction. Also the client's name. Pair the template with hair sample and order forms, a trio destined for the factory. That's it, you have learned it all. Now you can give your clients a perfect head template. Need bulk orders or more hints? Do not hesitate to contact us for more.